everybody. Hi, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by and hanging with me a bit today. We're kicking off outfit of the day, what I wore, where you get a week of outfits. You get puppy pandemonium. Even though, so Willie's birthday was Friday. Willie's birthday was Friday. I'll post a picture there. My son and his girlfriend got him all kinds of birthday funness, including I think she made him a cake. He has a hat, his own little. She bought the scarf for all of the boys, but it's funny because they're gonna be sharing here because Loki's birthday is tomorrow. Huh? Loki's birthday is tomorrow, Mr. Loud, right now. Huh? Your birthday's tomorrow. So Dexter, then his birthday isn't until February. And you can see they're wound up this morning. So if you're new, I'm Laura. I already told you these dogs' names. We also have Willie the Jack Russell and Harvey the kitty. We sure you stick around for that long haul. Hit that subscribe so I can keep on doing this. It is a cold day in Pennsylvania, only 23 degrees. It is not getting out of the 20s today. It's going to be freezing. There's a little bit of fresh snow on the ground, but it's not major. And for my outfit today, I'm casual because it's Sunday and we've got videos to do and work to do, prep for the week, and puppies to manage. So I put on a pair of Z Supply pants that I got in a Wantable Active. I love them, very comfortable. Paired them with one of my t-shirts. You can see this one has Loki on it. It says fueled by love and fur. So each of the dogs has their own shirt and their own saying. I think Loki has two. That's just because I did a Westie one. But anyway, so check out my site. So I have a Etsy shop now where you can pick one up for yourself if you wanted one. And then this jacket is by Saltwater Luxe, and I got in a JB Stylebox. My shoes, Dolce Vita. These are just tennies, so warm, so comfy. They have all that Sherpa on the inside. I love these. And that's it. I didn't go crazy for jewelry or anything today since I'm going to be pretty busy. We're going to get to it. Hope your week starts off amazing, and I will see you tomorrow. Hey, everybody. It is Tuesday. Time for outfit of the day. It is freezing outside. Freezing. 25 degrees, low of 8. It's going to get colder as the day goes on. So this is as high as it's going to go. It's going to go down from here. Tomorrow is going to be colder. So for my outfit today, I definitely wasn't feeling like getting too dressed up. I just wanted to be warm and cozy. My Cut from the Cloth haul posted today. I do love cut denim. I love their products. I love their styles. Like, they do such a great job with their denim and their non-denim. So if you haven't checked out Cut from the Cloth, I hope you do. Check out my video today. Some really fun pieces, I think. Some novelty denim and yeah, some basics that'll be great for your closet. For my outfit today, as I mentioned, I am cozy. So I have on a, I think is this one Daydreamer or is it Recycled Karma? So this is a Recycled Karma sweatshirt from a Wantable. You've seen this before, paired with Cut from the Cloth denim from a Stitch Fix. For shoes, I'm wearing tennies today. I think I wore tennies yesterday too. These are fun Dolce Vitas with the gold. And then for my coat, how about this fun one from the Loft? I don't have any jewelry on today. I keep putting cream on my hands. They're so super dry. And that's my outfit. All right, and that's a wrap on Monday. I will see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Tuesday, time for outfit of the day. Busy morning, freezing cold. It's like 10 degrees outside. It was in, the temps feel like they're in the negatives. Everything is frozen over. Luckily no snow right now, but so cold. For my outfit today, I have on Dear John denim from a Wantable. I have on my AFRM top. You're going to see coming up here from my Armoire, and then I have on a Ebby tank underneath it because it is super sheer, has these fun thumb holes. For shoes, I put Sorels on because, it's not nice outside. And my jacket is my Cabi jacket that you may remember from this season. Love it. It's so soft, all the yummy goodness on the inside. For jewelry, I just have on the necklace my husband got me, and I do have my bracelet stuck on, which I thought was cool. I put on over top of the top. Just Loki is joining me. He's such a fuzzy wuzzy, but it's helping him right now because he's the only one that can stand to be outside for too long. All right, I will see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Wednesday. We made it to hump day. It is so cold outside. It's snowing again right now. Low of 7 today. It's working its way towards there. It's 38 right now. And then we're expecting, I don't know, they're saying like something like 20 inches we're supposed to get on Sunday. And I'm supposed to, I'm supposed to drive into the office on Monday. So should be interesting to see how that all falls out. My Front Door Fashion posted today another great collection from my stylist, Rachel. My keepers are all right here on this on this one hanger. I put them together for you. So I kept the navy satin top. I really liked that. I kept the black fur vest. I kept the black bomber, and I kept the alligator belt in black. I didn't keep the black joggers, which I think is the other thing everybody liked, because I have black joggers, so I thought I probably didn't need those, but everything else I thought was good. For my outfit today, I have on Mother Denim, an Ever Eve top. You may remember from one of my most recent Trendsends. For shoes, I put on Dolce Vita again. You're probably going to see a lot of this kind of shoe as the snow keeps prevailing. I don't want to slip and fall. And then for my jacket, this Avec one, because it's so cold outside. The wind is crazy. This one I got in a Stitch Fix. I have on the necklace my husband got me, and that's basically all my jewelry today. Hope you're staying warm. I'll see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Thursday. I'm losing track of my days this week. It's Thursday and 33 degrees. That's the high as it's going to get now. It's late in the day, so it's after 4. The low is 26, the high was 37, so it's still pretty chilly out, but the sun's out today and the sky is clear, so that's nice. For my outfit today, I have on, let's see, Mica denim from a Wantable. I have on a belt from Front Door Fashion. Always forget to tell you about my belts, but my belt is Front Door Fashion. I have a t-shirt on because I get hot, cold, so I have a t-shirt on from, like short sleeve tee from Michael Stars. Paired with this Sanctuary little sweater zip up cardigan. Love this one. For my shoes, these are Blondos from Nordstrom. And then I just have on my Gloriana letter necklace, the necklace my husband got me, and my bracelet stack. And that's a wrap for today. Hope you're doing well, and I will see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Friday, time for outfit of the day. Ahead of the huge snowstorm that some people are calling Snowmageddon. So we'll see what happens. It's going to be a fun week. I think my travel's already getting switched up a bit for next week. I was supposed to leave Monday. I think now I'm going to push it to Wednesday, and we'll see what happens. So I won't be gone as long. And the sun is out today. It is 25, so it's not warm, but there's no snow yet. Dexter doesn't seem to mind the snow, even though he's got short hair, huh? All right, so let's see. Friday Funny today, I do have one for you. This one is Willie, who is such a silly little dog. Willie, and I told you that they have shredded my blanket and put holes in it. So this is my very favorite blanket. I haven't thrown it in the garbage yet because I'm afraid to put the new one on because they're going to put holes in that one. So it's still on my bed and the holes are getting bigger. So Willie has decided to put his head through the holes, and that's how he likes to be covered now. So he goes under the covers, so he's covered, and then pokes his head through one of the holes, as you can see from this video, to sleep. And then when I walked in, of course, he stood up, and that's why you're seeing it. But he's not stuck. He can get out. He likes to be in the holes. These dogs are so silly. For my outfit today, I have on cut from the cloth denim from a Stitch Fix. I have on a cut from the cloth top, and then my vest is White House Black Market. You may remember it from last year. I didn't do any sexy shoes today. Sorry, these are kind of boring, but it's really cold outside. And I just put on my Uggs. I love these. So, hope you're doing amazing, and I will see you tomorrow for one more outfit. Hey everybody, it is Saturday and time for final outfit of the day. We're waking up to 0 degrees. That's the temperature right now. And the snow is supposed to be coming, so this should be fun. My curator posted today, so good, check it out. And for my outfit today, I have on hidden denim from a Wantable. I have on a Z Supply top. I believe I got in a Trendsend. My shoes are Dolce Vita. My belt is Trendsend. And my coat, I put this one back on. This one was the Avec that I got in a Stitch Fix. And I love it because it's warm. It does, however, get fuzz all over my shirt. So if you see fuzz, that's what it's from, because I did already have it on to see what it looked like with the outfit. I'm going to go with it, but I'm probably going to have fuzz all over me. And that's my outfit, and that's a wrap on Outfit of the Day this week. I'll list all my outfits down below as always. If I can link directly to an item, I will. Many come from boxes, so of course all the box information will be down below in case you would like to give any of them a try. Thanks for hanging out with me. This was so much fun. I can't wait to hear what your favorite outfit was, so please do comment down below. I just have Loki joining me this morning, but he loves the cold. He's out there barking at everything. He loves it. Oh, look. 0 degrees. All right. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, swipe to hype. I'll catch you next time. Bye-bye.